Hey, I'm Bob, or Router Bob as I'm known here at Laguna Tools, and welcome to the Laguna Tools Workshop. A couple of years ago we introduced the Smart Shop series of CNC routers, and it really revolutionized the industry. So we took that concept of the Smart Shop and developed and engineered a machine that would have the same edge capabilities, have the same accuracy as the Smart Shop, but with a lower selling price, so that we could get this type of technology into more shops. And it's what we call the Laguna D Series CNC. It has a high-flow vacuum table. It has a vacuum pump as part of the system. It also has vacuum zones. So if you wanted to do things other than